Hi, it's Louis from Yachtco International Boat Sales, and today we're looking at this really nice Avon 6.2 litre rib. She's a 2008 boat with a 150 horsepower Honda 4-stroke outboard engine on the back with 580 hours from new. This boat comes with, you can see it here, an Aqua-dock. Let's have a look. So this boat is dry berthed in a marina on an Aqua-dock. This is a floating pontoon system that you can drive the boat up onto. There's rollers underneath its keel. You can see right down here, see the rollers there? So you can drive the boat up onto this floating pontoon, and it keeps your hull nice and clean. You don't need to worry about anti-fouling or any muck getting on it, and when you want to leave, you just put the engine down into reverse and she rolls off. She's tied on here at the bow down to this cleat, so she's nice and safe. She's not going to go anywhere, and the Aqua-dock is tied up just in a conventional manner, just as you would tie up your boat. So this Aqua-dock is included in the sale of this rib. But these are really good. This particular one has been spec'd for an Avon 620 for this actual boat, but it will fit all sorts of other ribs of a similar size, bigger and smaller most likely. There's a bit of space, so I think you can go a little bit bigger on it. And then the rib, so this rib is for sale. We are May 2025. I'll pop the link in the description for this rib. This is a 2008. It's got a lovely 4-stroke Honda 150 outboard engine, and it's in really good condition. She's been nicely looked after. The tubes have just had a UV clean. She's got really clean, tidy upholstery. Shock Pro seats. You can see there's a big spring and shock absorber in there. I don't know if you can see that, which allows those seats to take any shock as you're going over the waves, just so you don't hurt your back. There's a really nice pair of seats there. And then we've got conventional jockey seats behind with storage underneath. And a lovely helm with your standard switchgear Honda engine dials with the hour readout on there. We've got the standard Horizon DSC VHF, the Garmin GPS Map 750, and the Fusion sound system with the speakers down here below. Side mounted controls, and a really nice sized windscreen with a grab rail, so if you're going forward you've got something to hang on to, nice and solid. Underneath that seat there we've got the batteries, and then we've got a little anchor locker under that seat there. So she's white and grey tubes, and this is like a dark grey and light grey upholstery which really matches in and complements the tubes nicely. And then down in the well we've got the 750 GPH Seaflow automatic bilge pump, and of course the mighty 150 Honda with a stainless steel propeller as well. Ooh, we also have a radar arch, or an A-frame. Nice substantial double frame. We've got these 2 LED lights just to light up where you're going when you're coming into berth at night, and then a couple of antennae here, one of which will be for the VHF and the other will be for the Fusion, I would imagine. It's a really good size family rib, lots and lots of space. Loads of space to walk around, loads of seating space, and she's coming with the Aqua-dock. The Aqua-dock you can walk on, as I am now. So that means you can stand right up by the boat to do cleaning or any work that you need to do, or for loading up. You can go around both sides. It's a really great package, this is. There is an all-over cover as well that goes from here up over the console, over the back of the seats, and then down here, just to protect all of that, keep all of the weather off it. This boat also comes with a single axle road trailer in good condition. It's a roller coaster road trailer. She is a full package, turnkey ready, but a really great system on this Aqua-dock. Brilliant for really easy berthing. You just come in, put some power on, and up she comes, just as if you're coming onto a trailer. She rolls on and she's there. Tie her up, walk away, job done. No scrubbing, no anti-fouling, nice clean hull. Yes, just a short one for you today, but I hope you enjoyed it, because these are really nice boats. And if you're in the market for an Avon RIB or a family RIB, then take a look at this, because you've got everything you could want with this boat. Good size outboard engine, loads of seating options, a nice helm, big boat, nice chunky tubes. She's an Avon, she's Hyperlon, she's really well built. She comes with a single axle road trailer and the Aqua-dock. What more can you want? She's berthed here in Nayland Marina in Pembrokeshire, and we can sell the berth with this boat as well, so she could stay exactly here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video tour.